Hello and welcome. Today's topic is actually different because topic name is pushing images. As you know that if you want to create container, we must have image. Now we can get ready to use image from Docker Hub. If you have your image uploaded in the Docker Hub and if you want this image in your Docker host, you can use Docker pull. Docker pull is used to download this image from Docker Hub to your Docker host. But why we are going to push these images? Let's start this. So here we have introduction of pushing images. Push an image involve uploading Docker image from your local machine to Docker registry such as Docker Hub, private registry or cloud-based registry like Elastic Container Registry, Azure Container Registry or Google Container Registry. Now let me explain you this. We are working in a corporate environment. Now, as a Docker administrator, my responsibility is to create container images. Like I want custom container images for my company and my responsibility is to create this kind of custom images. Now, once I will complete this creation, once I will have my custom images, I have to share this with my other co-workers or colleagues as well because they are going to use these images in order to create new container. So how I can do this? Once I will create this image, custom image using Docker file, and once my image will be ready, I will push these images to the container registries like Docker Hub or cloud registries like ECR, ACR or GCR. Now, once I will upload this image over there, my co-workers, my colleagues can able to download this image from the registry and then they can create container for their Docker host as well. If you go to the Docker hub.docker.com, here they are giving us facility to create private registry as well. By default, whatever the images that you are downloading is coming from the public and anybody can access this. Of course, you can push images here as well. But if you want your images for only your corporate environment, you can create your account inside Docker Hub and you can create private registry. You can add a member like your colleagues and then you can share images with them. So I can build my Docker image, custom image, and then I will pull this to this kind of registry and my colleagues can able to download this. Why we need to push? Sharing made easy. I can share this image with my company's employee or colleagues, collaboration and distribution, version control in the cloud, and security consideration. Let's say that if I have image, custom based image in my local system. Now what happens if I'm going to lose this local host? So if I have this image inside any of this particular registry, I can download this anytime even if I lost my Docker host. So if you want to push image, the command is docker push username /repository -tag. So here we have to push this into the private registry. You don't need to worry about this. We are not going to use this command right now, but here we have this facility to push this kind of our own custom image to the cloud registries or Docker Hub private registry as well. In order to push this, you have to create private registry by signing into the Docker Hub or sign into the any cloud-based registry, and then you can use this username and password in order to upload this image. You don't need to worry about this. You just need to understand the use case of pushing image. In upcoming days, definitely we will push these images as well because we have to push these images to the registry in order to use this with the DevOps or CI/CD pipeline. So right now we are not going to perform any lab, but yes, in upcoming days you will definitely perform lab for this as well. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.